to design a landing page with MailerLite. So this is my dashboard for a test account on MailerLite. It's completely free to use. That lets me have up to 1,000 subscribers. Awesome deal. What we're going to do in this lesson is design a landing page that we can use to capture email subscribers. So we're going to go to Forms, and we're going to create our first landing page. Now let's think of a theme that we can use for this landing page. This is going to be like based on the movie, the Bird Box Fan Club. The Bird Box Fan Club, the movie. And once it's created, we can create a new group for this. Let's gonna call this group the Bird Box Fan Club. We're gonna choose it, then save and continue. And here you have pre-designated templates that you can use for your landing page. So what I like to personally go for is the lead generation landing page, as all we're really trying to collect is a name and an email address. So just to give you a preview of that here. Sample text, image, email, name, boom. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Now with MailerLite's native form builder, it's pretty straightforward to use. You can pretty much change everything and anything at your disposal. So we're going to just design this landing page really quickly to become the page for the Bird Box Fan Club. So let's see what we can edit here. It looks like this image is part of the content, which contains both image and text. So what I want to do is I'm going to delete this here. And instead, what I want to do, I could actually use that, but let's just do image and text our way. So I'm literally dragging image and text. That's an option up here as my header. And then I'm thinking, okay, I'll probably need a banner for Bird Box. So I do have something saved from the internet onto my desktop that I'm going to upload. It's going to be a banner from the movie. Okay, we're going to go ahead and upload that. Now, this could be a matter of aesthetics, but I'm just going to go ahead and center align this actually. So let's see what we can do here. See, as you design, you'll want to change and shift things around. Since I can only do text here, I'm actually thinking now instead that I'm going to do an image first, just to make this prettier. So we're going to go ahead and put an image. We're going to upload the image here. Great, fabulous. From there, we're going to save. And now we're going to put text. And you can play around with the size and such, but let's just keep this very simple. We're going to put in the text here. Sign up for the Bird Box Fan Club email newsletter and receive the latest updates to the possible upcoming series. I'm making this up. Along with exclusive deals on Bird Box merchandise and promotional offers. Okay, great. Now, of course, if we were a little bit more picky, we could increase the font size, and I think we should. And then we can bold the text. You can change around the color. It's really up to you to just play around, make it look good. I think I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Okay, great. Okay, and by default, the sign up form is already configured on what needs to be inputted, so that's great. If we wanted to, we can also change what the button here says. So, sign me up, let's say, we could do that. We can even change the settings of several things here, like the button color. I personally don't like the button color. I think it should be a little bit more red, but it's really, everything's at your disposal here with every parameter. If I wanted to, I could even change the background of here. Let's make this a little bit more pastel, so to speak. And if we wanted to, we could also include like benefits or talking points for the landing page, but in reality, you don't really need this. So I'm just going to remove it here. And remember, keep in mind, this is your landing page. If you want to make it more fancy, if you want to add more elements to it, feel free to do so. I'm just showing you how to do a landing page that's going to be super simple and effective to use in like 5 minutes. So this is going to work. If you want to add social links, you could. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. And let's just say that this is good. So let's click save. Next. And once it loads, you can actually use a landing page URL, and to copy and paste this will give you the direct link to your landing page. So for example, subscribepage.com/this URL. Let's go ahead and type that in. Great. So I'm just going to make up an email address here. Let's go with cherry@gmail.com, and our name is going to be Sandra Bullock. Why not? I don't even know how to spell her name, so let's just go with Sandra Bollocks. And let's click on sign me up. So as a user, this is what they're going to see here, and they should sign up here. It should go through. Great. So, good thing we're going to double check and doing a test here. So we can actually also change the successes pages text. So while this email will go through on our subscription page, let's quickly go back and change the success page of this form. So I'm just going to edit the success page, and I'm just going to remove this text. Actually, got to do it here. And then along with this text. Great. So then this is exactly what they see. Super simple, guys.